Hey there! Struggling with a remote that just won't work with your Roku 4K streaming device? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to fix remote not working on Roku 4K. With these steps, you'll get back to binge watching your favorite shows in no time. Step 1. Check the batteries. The first thing you want to do is check the batteries. It might sound simple, but weak or dead batteries are often the culprits behind an unresponsive remote. Remove the battery cover from the remote, take out the old batteries, and replace them with new ones. Ensure they're installed in the correct direction, then test the remote. If it's still not working, move on to the next step. Step 2. Reset the remote. Sometimes a simple reset can do wonders. To reset your Roku remote, remove the batteries as you did before. Unplug your Roku 4K device from the power source and wait at least 10 seconds. Now, plug the device back in. As it reboots, reinsert the batteries into the remote. This process often helps in reestablishing a connection. Step 3. Repair the remote. If the reset doesn't solve the issue, try repairing your remote with the Roku device. First, locate the pairing button. It's usually inside the battery compartment. Press and hold the pairing button for around 5 seconds or until you see a pairing light flashing on the remote. Keep the remote near your Roku 4K device during this step. Your Roku should now display a pairing message on your TV screen indicating a successful connection. Step 4. Use the Roku mobile app. If the physical remote is still being stubborn, use the Roku mobile app as a temporary solution. Download the Roku app from your smartphone's app store, then open it and navigate to the remote section. Ensure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku 4K device. This virtual remote provides all the same functionalities and can be a lifesaver while troubleshooting your physical remote. Step 5. Update or restart the Roku device. A software glitch could be causing the remote issue. Head to the settings menu on your Roku using the mobile app. Select System and then System Update to ensure your device is running the latest software version. If everything is up to date, choose System Restart to refresh the device. So there you have it. Now you know how to fix remote not working on Roku 4K. By checking the batteries, resetting and repairing the remote, using the Roku mobile app, or updating the device software, you'll hopefully resolve your remote woes. Remember, if all else fails, contacting Roku support might be your best bet. Happy streaming and enjoy your favorite shows with ease.